2.
Oh my God.
Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me.
Yeah, 24/7, Mr. 411. When you see me now like Kaepernick, call it Reverend. I got a million in the stash for a wet. If you ready, let me know. Just go in my food, just chewing. I swear you was doing me. I'm on the lamb, I'm on the rain. I be so high. Pussy good, so wet. Niggas trying to run away.
Get to me, what would you say? Have you way, what would you love? I'm trying to get
Damn, TG all in the way.
Alright. Is it recording? Let me know when it's recording. Oh shit, I think it's really nice. Okay, let me know. Let's go.
Guys, this shit is ass. Do not pull up.
Okay, so it's when I was back and we're back together. Yeah, don't get with it. Get it. And we're with Jada. I'm low-key hot as fuck.
Can I stop recording now?
No. See more of me.
No, nigga.
Y'all want to see more of me? Here, you're Ruthie the scientist.
What are you doing, Ruth? That's not how you do.
Alright, you can start recording.
She said she tryna fuck. No surprise and I can watch. Spot an English. We're gonna turn it up. If you wanna see fuck, let me see you fuck it up.
Put it. Guys, this is a fit check, okay, guys?
I'll drop your phone.
We in a...
Wait.
You're not showing it. You dropped my phone.
I know. I got a lot of shit in my hand. Hold it.
Where'd Nikki go?
It's your birthday weekend.
Do you see Nikki? Manai. Her name is Nikki.
Hold on.
Where'd Nikki go? Okay, guys. The fit check. So we got a Tiffany and Cole necklace. Okay, we got a Shein dress.
Shein dress with stains on it.
Shein dress. We got you too close. Hold on.
You're too close.
We got the Shein dress. Skim shoe. Tap in. Oh, and we got Tory Burch, but my feet look a mess. Show the slides, but not the feet. Okay.
How can I show your slides but not your feet?
Okay. Just show the.
I don't know. How do you?
And we got Tory Burch, guys. Waist beats from Ghana. I mean, ankles from Ghana. No, it was a cut water thing. I'm done drinking, guys. I'm drunk.
You said it like 5 times a week.
Okay, so we're back. Wait, hold on. So, wait, hold on.
God damn.
Okay, so we're back. I'm having such a good time. I'm scrolling right now, low-key. And this is my last drink, baby. My last drink, baby. Honestly, sponsor me. Minute Maid, if you see this, sponsor me right now. Well, I don't gotta cut. Wait, she's out. Oh, wait, XOXO. XO.
Kicking back.
Come on, ladies! Run it up! Try on truck this summer! They said this a hot girl summer, right? That's what they said. They said this a hot girl summer. What we doing, ladies? What she said? Shout out to Queens for a very good
It seems on them cheeks, make sure I can feel it when he digging in me deep. Girl calling his phone, I can hear his shit beat. Boy, answer the phone, I'ma keep it discreet.
What we doing?
I ain't stopping cause this pussy too good.
Where the fuck is that?
Girl, I wish the fuck you would. Dick so good, got me all in my feelings. Not least, forget me, our relationship dead.
We not really on his neck. Tell him what? Tell him, babe, this pussy is the best. He got me to so now I'm tweaking. We fuck so much, he got my bitch squeaking.
Little booties matter.
Be leaking.
I was talking about you, yes.
I just want you.
Yes, I was talking about you.
I want some dick now.
You better throw that shit down. Let me see it then. Let me see it then.
I was sitting at the bar when this real fire hot tray came over. Said he wanna get to know me. I said, boy, just
bitch, you wanna
Hey, listen, shout out them two. Shout out them two. Hey fellas,
show you what I mean.
We're not gonna be scared, you hear me?
Put this pussy on ya. Put this pussy on
We're not gonna be scared. Hey ladies, put that pussy on the right.
Put this pussy on ya.
Oh, my fault. You got that? Right there. Right there. What we doing? Hey, yo, Sam. Hey, Sam.
Eat it from the band.
Throw me the you know the little booties now. Hey, little booties coming back in style. Little booties go.
I'm Vicky Love. You all say no. Boy, say my name. FBIC King Yellow. I'm the best bitch yellow. Boy, say my name. I'm Vicky Love. You all say no.
see the vibes. Vinny, get the vibes going, man.
We back the fuck outside. It's been too long. We back the fuck outside, man. This was it. We back outside.
Where did you start from?
This was bro's plan.
Where did you start? Back home, back outside.
All that. All that.
Got 15 minutes to get y'all after party tickets, you hear me? Or it's going up to 20. Like little booties. I'm just saying. I talk my shit the fuck. It's been hot, right? Hey, listen, ladies. If your pussy smell good, say ow. Oh, no. I'm
They love.
They don't want 13 in it. Get in there. Get in there. Back in the line. Get in there. Back in the line. Get in there. Hey, you back in the line. Back in the line. Go ahead. We are down. 3, 2, no. Let's go. Come on. What's up? Hey, we are the same. Hit me back, I'll pull up to your sit down.